Okay, so I've got the JSX wound up a little bit louder than what I normally do. Hopefully that'll come through in the video a little clearer. Got the gain on about 11 o'clock, maybe, something like that, maybe 10 even. Trying to back it off a little bit. We're going to be playing with these Wolfetone p90s, and we're going to go through the range of the controls. So we're going to start on the neck pickup. And yeah, so the tone control is all the way up, and the volume control is set to about 2.5 or 3. Yeah, it's a Tele. I'm going to turn the volume up to about 5. Okay, go up to about 7. Okay, now we're going to go all the way up. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the bridge pickup. So we're going to leave the tone control alone for right now. We're going to start off with about 3. Here we go. We'll pull it up a little bit until it gets a little punch back in it. There we go. About 5 or so, maybe 6. Sorry, I'll get that intonation fixed there a little bit. Here, we're going to jump to about 7. Here's all the way 10.